Hey everyone, so if you ever need to talk to someone who speaks a different language, yeah, Google Translate Conversation Mode can help you chat in real time. I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step so you can actually have a smooth conversation. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet for the best real time translation results. Now tap on the conversation option. It usually looks like two speech bubbles. This opens the live translation chat interface. Next, select the two languages being used. For example, English and Spanish. Each side of the screen represents one speaker. Now just tap your side of the screen and start speaking. Speak naturally, and Google Translate will instantly translate and show it on the other person's screen. You can also enable auto mode. This lets the app detect who is speaking and translate automatically without you tapping every time. It makes conversations much smoother. Try to speak clearly and avoid background noise. If there's a small delay, just pause for a second. Oh, it usually catches up quickly. And that's it. Now you can talk to almost anyone in real time using Google Translate Conversation Mode. It's honestly a game changer for travel, work, or meeting new people.